today we are going to start how to design the isometric view directly into the CAD design. So the first design we are going to create, that is this one. Okay, so this one, so I have a screenshot of it, and let's back to annex. So from here, first step is to select the model for type modeling and make it okay from here. Next, as usual, what we do is to select the sketch, means on which plane we are going to work. So selecting this sketch, and then now select the planar face of plane, select this XY plane and make it okay from here like this one. Now we have to create first the base, so let's using a rectangle, and from here you bring with the form center, taking this as center point. We have to take the width of 120 and height of 80 and make the angle of 0 or 360. It will be taken as equal, okay, like this one. Now let's make it finish sketch and bring it to isometric view. Selecting the extrude command, we have to extrude it up to 15. So selecting any one curve due to connected curves, or curve is selected. So reversing this one, let's take the distance up to 15 only, like this one. From here let's make it to none and make it okay from here like this one. Again, what we have to do is to first hide this. Let's hide this sketch because we don't need this, so let's make it hide. Okay, so again, going on to the sketch command, we have to create a sketch on this face. So selecting this face, making it okay, let's drag it upper. Now, so taking this line, we have to create a line of length 50. So from here, creating line of length 50 and making the angle of 270. Similarly, again with this one, 50 and make the angle of 270. And then join this point and then this point, like this one. Let's drag it above. Taking on to the arc command, selecting this point, then selecting this point, create the radius of 40. From here, let's make the radius of 40 and click it. Cancel the command from here, make it to fit. So if we drag this one, might take other one. So let's try with this. Making a finish sketch. Now there is one we need more. Select the sketch and then also create a circle of diameter 32, which is to be extruded as you can see in the figure. Now let's make it finish sketch. Now let's work with the first sketch. Select the extrude command and then select any of the line in this, like this one. Reverse the direction to inside and we require this distance of 20. Let's do it unite. Body has been selected, to 21 body present and make it apply. Now what we have to do is to select this circle. So selecting this circle, reverse the direction from here and let's make it to subtract. Body has been selected, only one body selected and make it okay. In this way we can see our left portion has been created. Let's make it hide. Now what we have to do, so now we have to create the same thing in the opposite side also. So we can do it easily with the help of the mirror feature. So from here selecting the mirror feature. Now we have to select first this feature. So from here let's select the extrude number 4. Okay, it has been taken, I think 4, and also extrude number 5. Specify the plane. Let's select a new plane from here. There are two options. We have to select the new plane, specify the plane from here, reversing the distance of -60 like this one, and let's make it okay. In this way we will get the opposite side also the same one. Now what we have to do, we have to work with the upper face from here. So let's selecting the sketch on this face and make it okay from here like this one. Now what we have to create, we have to create a circle of diameter 80 on the upside. So from here, seeing the top side, we can create a rectangle of 80. Then what we have to create a diameter of 60, taking with the center point same, and also we need to arc center, and we need one more circle that is of diameter 30 and taking from the same center like this one. Now what we have to do, let's make it to finish sketch. From here selecting the extrude command, we have to select this sketch, select also this one, and it will create it like this one. Okay, so from here, if possible, make it unite, and the distance should be of 20, and let's make it apply. In this way we can see it has been created. Again, similar, we have to select this line, sorry, this circle, reverse the direction from here. Let's make it to subtract, drag it a little longer and make it okay. In this way we can get the whole circle. Let's hide the sketch, right click on this and make it hide from here. Let's bring it to isometric view, and also hide the rotom coordinate system, because I think we have completed whole diagram. From here we can see. Okay, in this way we can create the whole diagram. So from using this render command, let's make it to the rendering, and in this way we can create the whole isometric view of the given design. So in the next video we are going to practice more isometric views. Thank you.